memory. In this video, we'll talk about character or characters of the story, synopsis or summary of the story, and the moral related to the chapter. So first I'll talk about character sketch or main characters related to the story. The characters which are going to introduce in story are Bipin Chaudhary, Parimal Ghosh, Chunni Lal and Dr. Paresh Chand. So let's talk about these characters one by one. First I am talking about Bipin Chaudhary. He is the main character of the story. Bipin Chaudhary is an old man who had no children. He was living a lonely life after his wife's death. He was working in reputed firm at responsible post and have few friends. He had keen interest in reading books. This is shown in the starting of the story. He stopped his car every Monday in New Market to buy books. He never wanted to waste his time in idle chatting. Next character, Parimal Ghosh. He is a round-faced, meek-looking man who intruded Bipin Chaudhary in bookshop. He tried to make believe Bipin Babu that he had gone to Ranchi. He also provided many evidences that make Bipin rely on his statement. Next character, Chunni Lal. He is school friend of Bipin Chaudhary. He previously worked in travel agency but now in search of job. He kept visiting Bipin's house about the job, but Bipin always disregards him. Bipin Babu had also not helped him financially at the time of need, so he tried to take revenge by frustrating Bipin's mind through his imaginative useless ideas. Next character, Dr. Paresh Chand. He is a young physician with a pair of bright eyes and sharp nose. He is called by Bipin Chaudhary to treat his memory loss problem. So let's begin this summary of the chapter. Forgetfulness often puts us in a tight spot, but forgetting a part of one's life completely may drive one insane. In this story, our protagonist, what is protagonist? It is main character. Its meaning is main character of the story. Our main character of the story is troubled at his selective lapse of memory. He is the target of a conspiracy, which is a humorous take after all. The climax is a bit funny but interesting and gives him the much needed psychological relief. This story by Satyajit Ray is quite interesting story because of the element of offense that is introduced at the end of the story. Bipin Chaudhary is very cleverly at the end. Bipin Chaudhary is very cleverly tricked by Chunni Lal for not receiving the much needed help from him. Bipin Babu was a lonely man. His wife had died at 10 years ago. His ailment was the lapse of memory. He clearly forgot that he had been to Ranchi in 1958. In the beginning of the lesson, it is told that every Monday, Bipin Babu used to stop on a bookshop. He used to buy some books as crime stories, ghost stories or thrillers. One day he met Parimal Ghosh but he did not recognize him. Parimal Ghosh has already identified him and also narrate Ranchi incident. He told about everything like bungalow of Bipin, Dinesh Mukherjee and pain in his knees. But listening whole story, Bipin refused to accept these things. But Parimal Ghosh again told him about his personal things such as family including wife, kids and death of his brother or wife. After meeting with Parimal Ghosh, Bipin Babu began to ponder over the incident of Ranchi. He was thinking why he was not able to recall the incident, whether it was untrue or he was losing his memory. He also thought about the man who knew everything about him. So for confirmation, he saw his right knee. Then he thought about Dinesh Mukherjee. He also thought to ring up him. At last he talked to him. He also confirms that the incident of Ranchi. After office work, Bipin Babu returned home. He laid down on the bed and again began to think about that incident. At 7:30, Bipin Babu's servant told him that Mr. Chunni Lal wants to meet him, which is so urgent. Chunni asked him for money, but Bipin Babu refused. Besides, he began to confirm about the incident of Ranchi and his last job just to verify if he was losing his memory or not. But Chunni Lal also replied positively. Then Bipin Babu called Dr. Paresh Chand for treatment. At the end of the lesson, Bipin himself went to Hood room. When he reached Hood room, he felt unconsciousness there. When he opened his eyes, he found himself in Calcutta. Few minutes later, Bipin's servant brought a letter which was describing Chunni's revenge. Now Bipin understood all the matter. When Dr. Chand came again to treat him, he was totally surprised when Bipin told him that he was better now. He just needed a painkiller as he has fallen in Ranchi. So on the basis of above explanation or above summary, we are able to find the answer of related some questions like which type of books did Bipin Babu used to read? He used to read crime stories, ghost stories or thrillers. Who met Bipin Babu in bookshop? Parimal Ghosh met him. Which incident did Bipin Babu forget? He forgot Ranchi incident. To whom Bipin wants to ring up? Dinesh Mukherjee. Who was Chunni Lal? Friend of Bipin Babu. What did the servant brought? A letter. What was the name of the doctor? Dr. Paresh Chand. And who is the writer of the lesson? Of the story? Satyajit Ray. So one moral we can get out from this story that we must try to understand and empathize with people around us and connect with the common thread that makes us all human. Experience is a hard teacher because it gives the test first and the lesson afterwards. I hope guys this explanation will help you to understand Bipin Chaudhary's lapse of memory. I tried it to clear about the concept of the story through character sketch and synopsis related to it and the moral related to it. Guys, you can find my other videos related to English literature and English language. The links are flashing on your screen. You can check all my videos. I hope you will like all that. So thank you and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye bye.